Hello, my beautiful locks ladies. Are you in search of gorgeous hairstyles that scream comfort and are very easy to make? If you want a look that saves you hours in the salon chair but yet leaves you looking absolutely stunning, big jumbo braids are the ultimate trend this season. From large knotless braids and jumbo box braids to thick slick fitting cornrows, there is truly something in this video for everyone. Whether you prefer a classic straight back look or a dramatic high jumbo ponytail, these hairstyles frame your face beautifully and instantly elevate your entire look. So in this video, you will see a stunning variety of big jumbo braided hairstyles suitable for both the young and the young at heart. These are incredibly beautiful head-turning hairstyles that don't just look luxury, they are also long-lasting, very easy to make, and bound to inspire your next salon visit. But we don't just stop at the inspiration alone. To keep these chunky styles looking neat and frizz-free for weeks, remember to protect them with a silk or satin bonnet at night. A lightweight scalp oil and a good frame hold edge control will keep your part looking fresh and sharp every day. If you take so much time in the salon looking good, you should also put in effort to maintain your braids. Always remember, this channel is your ultimate go-to spot for all the latest and trending hairstyles. We also share useful tips on how to maintain your braids. Share this video with your friends, your sisters and colleagues so they can get inspired too. Drop a comment with your favorite style and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Keep staying fabulous and I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment with your favorite style and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Keep staying fabulous and I'll see you in the next video.